fire safety. The phone is ringing. Let's see what's going on. Hello, this is the fire station. What is your emergency? Someone has fallen into the well. We asked the firemen for help. Don't worry, the fire rescue team will set out immediately. There is an emergency. Help us put on fireman uniform and let's get ready to set out. Kiki, Ho-Ho fell into a well, and we need to rescue him quickly. Let's get ready to go down the well to save him. Rotate the roller to get Hank down the well. It's so dark. Let's turn on the flashlight. Ho-Ho, don't be afraid. I am coming to get you out of the well. Ho-Ho feels very uncomfortable. Let's first help Ho-Ho with rescue supplies. Oh, my leg hurts so much. Thank you. I'm so cold. Thank you. Thank you. Ho-Ho feels much better. Let's hurry up and get him out of the well. Ho-Ho, do not play beside the well again. This is very dangerous. I know. I'll never do it again. Yeah, great job. Fire rescue task is complete. Hello, this is the fire station. I am police dispatcher Mew Mew. The city has been flooded. The flood has swept away houses. Please come and help us. Don't worry, the fire rescue team will set out immediately. There is an emergency. Help us put on fireman uniform and let's get ready to set out. Kiki, there's a flood in the city. Residents are trapped in the flood. Momo, I will set out for the rescue. You can wait ashore in case any help is needed. Let's prepare an emergency rescue boat first. Rescue boat is ready. Let's go. Drive the residents. Slide to dodge these obstacles. in the water. Help them out of the water quickly. Help! Someone on the car roof asked for help. Get over there quickly to help. Drag the trapped residents over to These are relief supplies. Get them out of the water. Starts to overflow. Let's reinforce the riverbank. Fill the bag with sand to make a sandbag. Pile up sandbags to prevent flood from coming ashore. Riverbank reinforcement is complete. The flood will no longer submerge riverbanks. Kiki, all residents trapped in the flood have been rescued, and the flood has subsided. Rescue task is complete. Whoa, whoa! This is the fire station. I am police dispatcher Mew Mew. A fire has broken out in the high-rise building. Residents are trapped inside. We ask the firemen for help. Don't worry, the fire rescue team will set out immediately. Emergency. Help us put on fireman uniform and let's get ready to set out. Help! Help! Kiki, the fire in the high-rise building is so serious that all residents are trapped in the fire. We need to hurry and rescue them. Momo, I'm going to enter the building to save the residents. You stay outside to control the fire and help me save lives. No problem. The fire is too strong. Put it out with a water gun first. Use the powder fire extinguisher to put out the fire. Oops! The burning items have collapsed. Use the fire shovel to remove them. Fireman Kiki, don't be afraid. I'll help you out. The pile of wood has fallen down. Use the fire axe to split them. Fireman Kiki, come on, follow me closely to a safe place. All right, let's get them to a safe place. Put out the fire with scaling ladder and water cannon. Kiki, all residents have been rescued, and the fire has been brought under control. Rescue task is complete. Whoa!